Hello there.
Hey guys, it's me, HelloCris, and I finally finished my first university year. Yay! Which means it's summertime now. So, for my last Japanese assignment, I had to write an essay about my family on Genkō Yōshi paper. For those who don't know what Genkō Yōshi is, I'm going to do a tiny little explanation. So, I guess I'll have to put on my glasses because I can't see the computer in front of me and I don't want to mess up this anymore. So, for those who don't know what Genkō Yōshi is, it's basically a type of Japanese paper used for writing. It is printed with squares and there are usually 200 or 400 per sheet. Each square is designed to fit a single Japanese character or punctuation mark. It can be used with any kind of writing instrument, which means you can use pens, pencils, markers, whatever you find. I wouldn't recommend markers though, but anyways. I used the normal black pen for mine as I later had to scan it so I could send it to my professor. This kind of paper is very commonly used by Japanese students, especially primary and secondary school. It has some specific rules and one must follow when writing on it. And although it may look chaotic and confusing, it is actually pretty easy to use. Well, make sure to remember its rules unless you want to rewrite a 600 character essay 4 times like I did, because I couldn't stop messing it up, so be careful. That's basically why I decided to do this video, so you don't have to go through the same struggles that I went. Okay, now, no more talking and let's get into it. What you are seeing on your screen is the Genkō Yōshi paper. I will leave the template I used in the description box. It is the same that my Japanese teacher sent us, so I guess it's pretty legit. You must follow a strict order when you write with it. First things first, the title of your essay. It must go on the first column and you have to leave 3 blank squares on top. That means that the first character goes in the 4th square. Then, on the second column, you have to write your name. You must leave 1 empty square below and another one between the family name and your name. The family name goes first and then you write your name. The first sentence of your essay goes on the 3rd column on the 2nd square. Remember that every time you want to start a new paragraph, you must leave the first square blank. Punctuation marks in small characters occupy a new square and are written on the top right corner of it. But as you can't start a new sentence with punctuation marks on the top of the line, when a sentence ends on the last box of the line, you have to write the punctuation mark on the right lower quarter in the same box you have written the character. And don't forget that elongation marks are written vertically. It may all sound like very mathematic and strict, but once you get used to it and once you see a template of it, it is actually very easy to understand. These are the basic rules to write Genkō Yōshi correctly. Apart from the paper template, I will also share a PDF with the basic points when writing it, so you can have your own cheat sheet. I hope this video was somehow helpful to you, and I really hope that you don't mess up as much as I did, so make sure to read every rule carefully. If you want to know more about Genkō Yōshi, you can always search it up on Wikipedia, which is basically the source of all knowledge on the internet right now. If you have any questions on it, don't forget to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this one, and to give a big thumbs up if it was useful to you. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye!